Hey there, cooking friends. It's Chef Jewel from Kitchen Little, and with permission from Chronicle Books, here's Green is a Chili Pepper, a book of colors. Red is a ristra. Red is a spice. Red is our salsa on top of rice. Rojo. Red is a ribbon. Red is a bow, and skirts for baile folklorico. Orange are the marigolds on Day of the Dead. Orange are the platos for special bread. Naranja. Yellow is masa we use to make tortillas, tamales, and sweet corn cake. Amarillo. Yellow are the stars that lighten the night. Yellow are faroles, flickering bright. Green are the corn stalks. Green are the pails. Green is a bench for abuela's tales. Verde. Green is a chili pepper, spicy and hot. Green is cilantro inside our pot. Blue is the endless sky above, and handmade crafts for those I love. Azul. Purple are rides that swirl and spin, and the feria prizes that we win. Purpura. Pink are adornos and candles that glow. Pink are piñatas, watch out below. Brown is a churro, warm and sweet, and homemade chocolate, a special treat. Marron. White are the flowers we put in a vase, and sugar skulls and handmade lace. Blanco. White are the doves that chatter and coo, and the palomitas for me and you. The world is a rainbow of wonder and fun, ribbons of colors rolled into one. In ponchos, cerepas, and xylophones too, these beautiful colors are waiting for you.
Maybe there's something we can cook.
See you later, cooking friends!